today is a very special episode where I'll be talking to someone who has spent years in RChilli. So, how does it feel to complete so many years into this organization?
It feels really good. It's almost being 16 years now in RChilli. The journey was really good from like to have start with from a network engineer to like taking care of a security infrastructure right now. So it was really like ups and downs in these 16 years of career, but overall it was very beautiful and experienced that I have here in RChilli.
So, tell us, like, how did you get to know about this organization? What were the initial days looked like? Yeah.
Okay, so I came to know about this system admin job. One of my friend that there is an opening in RChilli, and I have came to interview here, and it was really good experience to have one-on-one interview with the CEO Vinessa, and after that the journey has started, and it was really good experience.
So, tell us about the transitions you had in the organization.
I have started as a like network engineer, then I have like moved to system admin, then Linux admin, and then to senior system admin. Then I have promoted to IT manager. Right now, I'm a head of IT and infrastructure security. So right now, I'm taking care of infrastructure and information security. So it was really good experience in transition to having a different job profile in the same organization.
That's interesting. So, tell us something about your Himachali culture.
It's like the very first thing, it's cool place, calm place that makes it different from the city. The calmness, there are like less pollution, there are more over the trees and the jungles, and the beauty of nature, greenery is there from the city.
So, are you ready for some rapid fire questions?
Yeah, sure.
So, what is your favorite food?
I would love to Rajma Chawal.
Your favorite season?
Obviously, like winter, that is something we would love to. We have a snow and can play on there. So winter is always a good.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
We have gone to Goa. Obviously, that was last year, and I want to be thanks to my organization to sponsor me for me that. It was a family trip, and really thanks for the company for that.
So, are you a movie person or you like reading books?
No, I love to go with the both. Moreover, I'll look for the web series and the movies.
Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Work or play?
Work,
Love or friendship?
love,
Money or happiness?
obviously happiness.
Cats or dogs?
Both. No, sorry, I'm not animal lover.
Okay. Are you a morning bird or a night owl?
Morning bird.
What would you tell someone who is just starting off their career into this IT profession?
I mean, like just learn for the AI things, automation things. So a must thing I can say to today's generation who is starting their career, is go for the courses, online classes, and just read books, YouTube's, and other channels. So you can improve and enhance your skill by doing those courses or things.
So I have seen that you also interview a lot of people. So what are the first 3 traits that you look for while choosing a candidate?
I can say it is like confidence, the very first. Second thing is like attitude, how the one is behaving, and third one is the knowledge of automation, how quickly the one can like understand and how quickly the one can be like provide a solution.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences, and I hope that will find like value to all the people who will be listening to you.
Thank you so much for your time.